Stocks, and more stocks. This is Sean Rogers from the Smart Money Cafe, and I want to talk about today these dividend stocks and a great resource for you guys that I've been looking at for a while, but I haven't been really digging into it. But lately I've been reading it. It's a great resource for you guys to learn about stocks, learn about stock investing, and I'm going to start doing a lot of my reports based on the massive amount of information from this resource. It's and they spill it out to you nice and easy in bite-sized chunks and make it easy to understand. So what grabbed my attention is a particular dividend stock. Now I already have a couple of dividend stocks. AT&T pays dividends. Disney, love Disney because I bought it super cheap. I've held it for a long time. And after a while, I started realizing, wait a minute, they always, when they pay, this is what dividend stock does in case you don't know. And Warren Buffett loves dividend stocks, high value dividend stocks. Because if the company's doing even decent, it doesn't matter if the price of the stock goes up or down. When it's time to split up the profit, they're paying the shareholders. They're paying the owners of the company their cut of the profit. That's what dividend, and that means they're paying out dividends. So if you own 100 shares of Disney or whoever that pays dividends, guess who they're sending money to? You. Or you can reinvest that to buy more stocks in that company. You have that. Usually they give you that option. So before I used to just like to see money come in from Disney. It's like, oh, look at my little piece of the pie, you know. Now I just reinvest. So it'll grow. Anyway, the stock I got excited about was Verizon. First of all, not because of the price, but because of the report from this source, which I will tell you now, and I'll leave the link in the bottom. Motley Fool, that's what it's called, motleyfool.com. Motley Fool announced, hey, guess what? Verizon is going to pay out a dividend this year. And anyone who owns, according to them, anyone who owns this stock before January 8th will be on the list to be paid out dividends as part co-owners. You buy it after that, you got to wait till the next go-round. But if you buy it before that, I jumped on that, bought some. So, hopefully I get my cut as co-owner. But I just want to share that with you. I want to teach you and tell you. And if you guys know about stocks, anybody watching this has some input, leave it in the comments below. But I love the dividend stocks. I'm not a stockbroker. I'm just telling you from my experience on getting paid on the Disney stock, getting paid on the AT&T stock, and hopefully will be paid on the Verizon stock. So that source is motleyfool.com. And I'll be doing a lot of different, you don't have to learn it. You go and learn it, or you can listen to me, because I'll be doing a lot of different reports and tips based on what they say we should do, what they say is the next hot stock potentially to come out. I'll just report it to you guys on the Smart Money Cafe. Alright? I hope that's helpful to you. Go ahead and look up that Verizon stock like I mentioned to see if what I'm telling you resonates with you and can be a good part of your portfolio, raising your wealth. And like I said on my other ones, goodbye debt, hello freedom. Get rid of the debt, buy some income producing assets, hello financial freedom. Sean Rogers out. See you next time.